If your home looks perfectly fine, this could still be happening behind your walls right now. Termites don't sleep. They don't stop. And by the time you see the damage, it can cost you thousands, sometimes tens of thousands, to fix. And here's the worst part. Most homeowners don't even know they have termites until the damage is already done. If you own a home in this area, you are at risk, period. And ignoring it, that's exactly what termites are counting on. That's why smart homeowners call Action Pest Control. We don't guess. We perform a full termite inspection, find the problem at the source, and eliminate it before it destroys your home. We use proven systems that don't just kill the termites you see. They wipe out the entire colony and protect your home from future attacks. And right now, you can get a professional termite inspection free. That's right, free. Just to make sure your home is safe. But don't wait. Termite damage gets worse every single day, and inspection slots fill up fast this time of year. Call now, schedule your inspection, and stop termites before they cost you thousands.